Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of 70, 80, 120 and 150 by long division method. So there are two methods for finding the HCF. One is the long division method and the other one is the prime factorization method. In this video we are going to be using the long division method. In the long division method we divide the highest number by the smallest number and will keep on dividing the number until we get the remainder as 0. So let's start. All the numbers are 70, 80, 120 and 150. So out of these numbers we have 150 as the largest number and 70 as the smallest number. So in our first step we'll divide 150 by 70. So dividing 150 by 70. 70 times 2 is 140. 7 times 2 is 14. So we'll take 70 times 2. We'll subtract the two numbers. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. So now our remainder is 10. Now this remainder will be the divisor for the next step. Use 10 as the divisor. And our new dividend will be 70. The previous divisor will be our new dividend. So 70 divided by 10. 10 times 7 is 70. And our remainder is 0. We got the remainder as 0. So we'll stop here. Remainder 0. So we'll stop here, and this number, which is the divisor by which we get the remainder as 0, will be the HCF of the three numbers, HCF of our numbers. So HCF of 70, 80, 120 and 150 is 10. But here we have used only two numbers, 70 and 150. So we'll check whether 10 is the factor of 80 and 122. So we'll divide 80 and 120 by 10 and check whether it is a factor of these two numbers or not. So dividing 80 and 120 by 10. So first we'll divide 80 by 10. 10 times 8 is 80. So 10 is a factor of 80. And now we'll divide 120 by 10. So 10 times 1 is 10. 2 will be the remainder and will drop down 0, and 10 times 2 is 20. So the remainder is 0. So here we see that 10 is a factor of 70, 150, 80 and 120. Therefore, HCF of four numbers 70, 80, 120 and 150 is 10. So this is how we find the HCF of numbers using long division method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.